Is it safe to train abs in pregnancy? Yes. In your first trimester, you really don't have to change anything. And then it's about modifying exercises in your second and third trimester when they become more challenging with the stretching of the abdominal muscles and increased strain on the pelvic floor muscles. In short, it's not about certain ab exercises being safe or unsafe. It's about choosing exercises that you can perform effectively as your bump grows, because every woman is different. Want to train with me? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Fit Pregnant Chick, for pregnancy, core and pelvic floor workouts.